Alright, now we're going to take our 150 ohm resistors, so that's brown, green, brown, gold. Okay, and I got 5 of them. We're going to bend the legs over again like that. These are going to get in like this. So one of them is going to go there. And then I'm just going to bend the legs over a little bit on that side. Okay, I would probably do one at a time here. So once I put the one in, solder it in. If you want to wait on the trimming of them, I guess that's fine. It might be easier to just trim them up right away though. Okay. And then do the same thing for the remaining 4. And the remaining 4, they're just going to be right in a column. So this one goes right there, right below it. Okay. Bend them over a little. Three more to go. Oops, a little bit too much solder. Wipe off my tip. Okay. There we go. Okay. 2 more. 1 more here. 1 more here.